Hi Shell Point, this is Lily Hodge, and I'm joined today with Doug Heatherly, the leader of the astronomy group here at Shell Point. Welcome, Doug.
Well, thank you, Lily.
So we're here to talk about the astronomy group and how you got it started and where it is now.
Oh, sure. We've been residents here about 5 years, and shortly after we came, well, I've had a lifelong interest in astronomy. And so I came and I was looking for other folks that might have an interest in astronomy. And with a little bit of discussion with the resident life folks, we found out that we could set up our own little group if we could get enough people interested in coming. And so we formed a group about 4.5 years ago. And since then, we meet about once a month, except in the summer. But we meet for about once a month through the winter and discuss mostly current topics in astronomy, but the topics come up based on what the group is interested in. So we've had discussions, everything from our sun, aurora borealis, solar system, extrasolar systems, whatever. So it covers broad topics, but all the topics are geared to a general population. They're not technical in nature or anything like that. So it's basically a chance to get together with other folks that might be interested in similar kinds of things.
Okay, so no knowledge of astronomy or anything like that is required to come?
No. In fact, it's just a place to come and discuss something that maybe we didn't get a chance to deal with in our work lives. And so it's a little different, and we do have some residents here at Shell Point, of course, that have a pretty deep appreciation for most of these topics. But so I always learn something when I go to the group, and it's fun just discussing and learning from each other.
Awesome. Well, and we have a special prop today. Can you tell me what type of telescope this is? Yes,
this is a little Questar is a brand name. It's a telescope that was made with the idea of being very portable, which is obvious, you can see from this. It's an interesting piece of engineering in that it was designed about 60 years ago or so. Been on the market that long, and in fact it is displayed in the Smithsonian as a example of fine engineering of that era. So it's a telescope in a box called a Questar.
All right. So Doug, we've got an upcoming meeting this Thursday at 1:15 in the Osprey room. Can you tell everybody what the topic will be for this week?
Yeah, the topic this week is going to be gravity, the cosmic sculpture. Actually, the Nobel Prize in Physics for last year was won by a group of scientists doing research on gravity and gravity waves. So this is at the leading edge of what's going on, what you might read about in the papers, in newspapers and so forth, because it's an exciting area. In fact, astronomy as a whole has really taken a forefront in some of the research. Since 2000, about 30% of the physics Nobel Prizes have been awarded to people doing research in astronomy.
Wow, interesting. All right. So if you're interested in astronomy, like many Shell Pointers are, come and join us this Thursday, March 8th at 1:15 in the Osprey room to learn all about gravity.